Everyone, here I am going to talk about Neoclassical Age or Augustan Age from 1660 to 1780. Neoclassical meaning. The word neoclassical means new classical. This era is known as a period of enlightenment, age of reason and logic. Neoclassicism means a return to classical models and imitating the literary style of ancient Greek and Roman writers. Neoclassicism period can be divided into three stages such as Restoration Age, Augustan Age and Age of Johnson. Important characteristics. Emphasis upon structure, restraint, and objectivity. Tone is calm and rational. Criticism of human nature. Focus on society, reason, and intellect. Works are didactic and satiric. Adherence to formal rules and conventions of writing and poetic diction. Emphasis upon urban life. Subject matter deals with society, politics, and aristocracy. Following Aristotelian unities of time, place, and action. Restoration Age 1660 to 1700. This period starts with the death of Oliver Cromwell and restoration of Charles II to the throne. This period was influenced by French culture. Theatres reopened in 1660. Satires and comedies were popular during this period. Comedy of manners exposed the follies and absurdities of the upper class people. So, this period was a reaction against Puritanism. This period ends with the fall of James II in 1688. Heroic tragedy also gained attention of people during this period. Restoration writers depicted corruption of court and society in their works. Use of heroic couplet became popular. Famous writers during this period are John Dryden, Sir William Temple, Samuel Butler, Thomas Hobbes, John Locke, Samuel Pepys, and Evelyn. Important works and writers. John Dryden, Macflagno, this is a poem. Absalom and Achitophel is a poem. Heroic stanzas, All for Love, Astor Redux, Annus Mirabilis, About War with Holland and Fire of London, Religio Leci, Discourse and Satire of Heroic Plays, Essay on Dramatic Poesy, which is about classical drama of Greeks and Romans, neoclassical drama of French, and romantic drama of English. Samuel Butler, Hudibras, this is a satire on Puritans, published in 1663, 1664, and 1678. Thomas Hobbes' Leviathan, or the Matter, Form, and Power of a Commonwealth, which got published in 1651. John Locke, Essay Concerning Human Understanding, Evelyn and Pepys, The Diary, William Congreve, The Old Bachelor, The Double Dealer, The Morning Bride, The Way of the World, William Wycherley, Love in a Wood, The Gentleman Dancing Master, The Country Wife, The Plain Dealer, George Etheridge, The Comical Revenge, She Would If She Could, The Man of Maud. Augustan Age from 1700 to 1750. Imitation of Augustan writers like Virgil, Horace, and other classical writers. Augustan means Roman Emperor Augustus Caesar. Age known as Golden Period of Literature. Coffee houses became popular where people could meet and discuss about literature and society and politics. Poetry as an imitation of life. Rise in novels. Emphasis on order, structure, reason, and restraint. Matthew Arnold called 18th century as Age of Prose and Reason. Queen Anne was on throne during this period from 1702 to 1714. Popular genres are satires, novels, political allegories, and periodical essays, etc. Important works and writers. Alexander Pope, Rape of the Lock, the two cantos published in 1712 and three more cantos in 1714. Moral epistles, Essay on Man, which is a poem, Essay on Criticism. Pastorals, Dunshaad, Epistle to Dr. Arbuthnot, translations of Iliad and Odyssey. Jonathan Swift, Gulliver's Travels, The Battle of the Books, A Tale of a Tub, Modest Proposal, which is an essay, Verses on the Death of Swift, which is a poem. Joseph Addison, Essay, The Tatler and the Spectator, Account of the Greatest English Poets, The Campaign, which is a poem, Cato, which is a tragedy. Richard Steele contributed to Tatler essays, signed his essays with the name Isaac Bickerstaff. Samuel Johnson, Rambler and the Idler Essays, London, Life of the Poet Savage, The Vanity of Human Wishes, which is a poem, Rationals, which is a poem, Lives of the Poets, the dictionary, which got published in 1755. James Boswell wrote Life of Johnson in 1791. Edmund Burke wrote A Vindication of Nature Society, The Origin of Our Ideas of Sublime and Beautiful, Reflections on French Revolution, Impeachment of Warren Hastings. Edward Gibbon, The Decline and Fall of Roman Empire. Age of Sensibility from 1745 to 1783. Emphasis on emotions and feelings, shows human beings as benevolent beings. Popular genres are graveyard poetry, novels, and periodical essays. Important works. Thomas Gray, The Elegy Written in a Country Churchyard, Hymn to Adversity, Ode to Spring on Distant Prospect of Eton College, The Bard, The Progress of Poesy, The Fatal Sisters, The Descent of Odin. Oliver Goldsmith was an Irish The Deserted Village, which got published in 1770. The Traveller, which is a poem, 1764. Public Ledger, The Vicar of Wakefield, which is the only novel written by him. The Good-Natured Man and She Stoops to Conquer are the two comedies written by him. William Cooper, The Task, which is a poem. The Sofa, The Castaway, translations of Homer in blank verse, John Gilpin. Robert Burns was a Scottish poet. The Quarter Saturday Night, a poem. My Love is Like a Red Red Rose, Highland Mary, Bonnie Doon, To a Mouse, To a Mountain Daisy. Poems chiefly in Scottish dialect, Halloween, A Bard's Epitaph, The Twa Dogs, Epistle to a Young Friend. William Blake, Jerusalem and Milton, Poetical Sketches, Songs of Innocence and Songs of Experience, Urizen, Gates of Paradise, Marriage of Heaven and Hell, America, The French Revolution, or The Visions of the Daughters of Albion. James Thomson, The Castle of Indolence, which is a poem written in Spenserian stanzas, The Seasons, a poem in blank verse. William Collins, Oriental Eclogues, Ode to Evening, Ode to Simplicity, Ode to Fear, Ode to the Passions, Ode on the Popular Superstitions of Highlands. George Crabbe, The Village, The Parish Register, Tales in Verse. James Macpherson, Fragments of Ancient Poetry collected in Highlands Fingal Tamora. Thomas Chatterton, Rowley Papers. Thomas Percy, Relics of Ancient English Poetry, Chevy Chase, Northern Antiquities. Daniel Defoe, Apparitions of Mrs. Wheel, Memoirs of a Cavalier, Journal of the Plague Year, Robinson Crusoe, Moll Flinders, Captain Singleton, Roxana, Colonel Jack, The Shortest Way with Dissenters, Samuel Richardson, Pamela or Virtue Rewarded, Clarissa or The History of a Young Lady, Sir Charles Grandison, Henry Fielding, Joseph Andrews, Jonathan Wild, The History of Tom Jones and Amelia. Tobias Smollett, Roderick Random, Humphrey Clinker, Lawrence Stern, Tristram Shandy or Life and Opinion of Tristram Shandy the Gentleman, which got published in 1759 in 9 volumes, a sentimental journey through France and Italy. And here this ends. Thank you.